So ladies and gentlemen, you are most welcome again. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can add a new worksheet to an existing workbook in Microsoft Excel. And these are the steps we have to follow. Number one is that you need to open Excel workbook that you want to add a new sheet to it. And then after that, you click on the plus icon to the right of the last worksheet tab at the bottom of the Excel window. So what we are going to do, we are going to open Microsoft Excel. After opening Microsoft Excel, we are going to select the blank workbook, and then after that, automatically it comes with sheet 1 by default, but at the end, at the bottom end, you see a plus icon. Click on that icon, you will see sheet 2 added. Click on it again, you will see another sheet 3 added. So that's the first method we can use to add a new sheet to this workbook. The second method is by right clicking on any of this sheet. So for example, if I want to add sheet 4, I'll go ahead and hover the cursor on sheet 3, right click on it, you see a list of options. Select the first option, which is insert, and out of that you get a dialog window that will pop up on the screen that says insert a worksheet as the first priority. Then click on that and press OK. Then you will see another worksheet added. Go ahead and insert another one, and then select that, press OK. Then you see another worksheet 5 added. To add another one, say worksheet 6, right click, insert, select that, OK. Then you see worksheet 6 added. So those are like now the two methods we have seen. The third method, which is the last one, is by using the keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut we are going to use is the Shift F11. So before I do that, let me first delete these sheets and I remain with the initial sheet which I started with. So to delete a sheet in Microsoft Excel, right click on that sheet and select delete. So you can see deleting a sheet is very simple. Just right click on it and then select delete and it will go away. So now I have this one. Now if I want to add a new sheet using method 3, which is the use of a keyboard shortcut, so I'll go ahead and press shift on the keyboard, then I press F11, and now a new sheet will be added. Go ahead and do it again. I press shift key, then F11, another sheet 8 will be added. Do the same if you want to add as many sheets as you can, and then in that way you will be able to add different number of sheets on any existing workbook. So I know this video is very important because when you are working in Microsoft Excel, the sheets are very important because they help you to organize your work and different topics and sections. So I want you to go and practice and see how you can do this well. And in case of any challenges, please feel free to contact us, or you can just leave a comment in the box below, or you can also subscribe or register to our website tabbytalks.com so that you can easily follow us and send us a message for any help. Otherwise, for now, I want to stop here. Let's catch up in the next video. Thank you very much.